So back to the dancing nurses. Good old White House, that little doohickey here. I don't know if I can play the sound. I'm going to turn the sound off. Let's just play the dancing nurses at the White House for Christmas. See how that works? Take a look at this doohickey here. See how that works? Why isn't it getting bigger? See, I don't need the words to it. See what I'm saying? This is your White House. It was a free country at one point. These are called death rituals. See how that works? Look, there's even a cross in the backdrop there. And I bet you there's some satanic, what do you call it? Saturnistic, Saturnalia, whatever you guys worship there. See how that works? They're showing you these pictures on purpose, by the way. That queen or whatever that is, that garbage. 2, 4, 6 candles on that one. None of this is by accident. 2, 4 on the other. 2, 4, 5 on the other. 5, 4, 6. I don't know. That might mean something. I'm not going to decode this whole thing, but this ain't normal behavior. You see how that works? And I guarantee you probably got to be. Hang on. Let me go back to my other. Oh, I got my screen. Hang on. You got to have. Well, not the death bird. What are we going to call this guy? One of you guys said the Nancy Pelosi bird. That was funny shit. But this doohickey, if you get the death shot, I'm going to call him Death Shot for now. This is my bird, the Death Shot puppet. See, and he doesn't believe in this. See right here, he's going to point to a jab, tag, bag. Don't forget your spam food, by the way. The Wall Street Journal just put out today that you're going to have some sticker shock. You should already. I just spent $200 on groceries. It was 3 bags. That didn't happen 3 months ago. Like, I'm just saying, like, inflation's kind of taking off a little crazy. See how that works? But anyway, these are your dancing doohickeys right here. These are the people that are so busy right now with the overwhelmed influx of doohickey. Look at how they're chopping their hands. They're praying. See that she's making double symbols. I do that too, by the way. I was watching one of my videos. I happened to hit the pause button just for I had to show somebody. I hit pause and my hand stopped right where it looks like a 60. I'm like, if you freeze frame anything, you're gonna see whatever. But when they start doing like not the normal, hey, do you? They start doing that real defined. I can't bend my fingers that much anymore. But when you could do that devil horns, there's a real one, and then there's the hang loose. That's different. And then there's I love you, which is with this because it's IL. Man, why is this? But anyways, if you knew Morse code and sign language and a couple other languages, then maybe you'd understand. But whatever, do you? So there's our dancing nurses again. This is the booster season, by the way. And don't forget the ritual out of Houston at the concert with the 8 candles or 8 flames, 8 souls that single night, then 2 more souls later, but 8 and 8 at the time. Another ritual. Now let's take a look. Hang on, what was that on the wall? Just for the heck of it, since I was going to keep going with the news here. Does she look like Hillary, by the way? I thought this is a young Hillary. For a second, I thought they had like the robot brain, the DARPA Hillary. See how that worked? The DARPA bot? If you watch these DARPA bots move, they like the ones that can jump and tumble, and then watch how some of these people are walking. It's that weird. You could see patterns, you get it, whatever. See, doesn't she look like Hillary? No. This is a death ritual. Oh, I look like this person in the pink. Oh, that's his wife. Hang on, there we go. Hey, how's Diaper Boy? See how that works? So she's watching over him like Mother Teresa. See how that works? You sick fucks. Oh my, this is creepy shit. Now these are all these are all GMO'd humans. I bet these are exempt. I'm sure they got the water. Where's my water? Which one's for water? The blue. I don't know what the blue cat. Blue. She's royal blue. She'd be in that royal blue garbage. The queen and all that wears. And remember, Hillary was wearing. Now she's wearing like a purplish. Wow, this thing actually point. That's kind of cool. Oh, look at who's behind me. See how that? He's always got my back. See that? That's a good wizard right there. See that? Or maybe not, but I'm calling him one. How you like that? It's all how you manifest your own bullshit. See how that works? Oh, how come my icky sticky ain't in the window here? Hang on. Why don't you guys tell me? There you go. Anyways, your death ritual garbage. Oh, right there. This cross right here. I'm just saying, that if you take a cross and fold it, look, Google it on YouTube. Teach people how to make paper airplanes. You can do a cross airplane thing, but you look it up. You make a cross out of your cube. If you really want to make little cubes, like for little things that hang as decoration, you literally make a cross. You cut it out, and it folds up into a cube. These people worship Saturn. On Saturn, there's a big cube on the tip. See how that works? Ask this guy up here. He'll tell you all about it right there, right behind my back. There, see, he's got my back. I hope. Anyways, back to the ritual. See, they got the baby Jesus or something. Oh, look at it. These look like demons flying around. See how that works? Oh my, can I zoom in? No, I can't. I can't zoom in. Looks like a bunch of I'm not gonna say. You probably can't say that color. Doesn't this look like demons coming out of hell? Like there's babies flying off of roofs there, or are they angels? What is this garbage? I think they're throwing kids off the roof of the White House here is what that is. I'm not sure. This might be an old painting. But that works. Doesn't that look like a creepy Disney movie behind these broads? Oh my. There's flames. See the flames and the devil right there. See how they work? And then whatever this, maybe that's him coming up, rising. I see horns right. I'm guessing. I mean, that's what it looks like to me. What's this prick doing here? Oh, he's got the triangle and all that garbage, the thing to measure. What else we got here? Right. I don't know what that is. Is that Mrs. Washington, probably? How many of these doohickeys you got? 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 5. 2, 4, 5. I don't know why. Maybe that's just my imagination. Who knows? Watch their hands. I'm looking for those devil horns. They do the special or the heart with the horns on it. Not the normal I love you like the nurses did in Israel. This is creepy. And they're all in this. That lady looks like she's got a gun to her head. Dance, bitch. Like, didn't she look scared? They made me do this. We came here to do our little local routine, and then they swapped it up on us. See how that works? The girl in the back keeps doing that devil horn garbage, I think. Oh, look at this doohickey. I missed this because I was talking so much before. See how that works? See how the nurses go up there? See how that works? That was an actual, whoever put this together, that was an actual clip of the nurses from one of the Israeli ones. So here's a message right here. Guarantee you, anybody wants to decode how many broads we got here? 1, 2, or women, whatever you call these things. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. That probably doesn't mean nothing. Usually they got them all on one side, and then usually they're going around a circle or a cube. I didn't see the cube yet. Did I miss it? There's got to be a cube here somewhere. Oh, what's it? They're standing on the black hole sun right here. See how stupid I am? They're standing on the circle. Look at see how that goes. Nothing's by accident, by the way. This is all choreographed, but big money. Your tax dollars, by the way. Here it says thank you. I'm sure that was placed there on accident. Here's a triangle or a diamond. Just saying, there's probably shit there. Oh, look, it said they're praying to each other, whatever this garbage is. I can make up words of this song like Dr. Effer, trick me again. I'm going in for another round of venom. By the way, there more and more are refusing treatment to people that are that movie. What the hell's that movie? They call it this new movie coming out about not taking the V. It's gonna be called Ride or Die because if you get sick, you're out of luck. See how that works? Because these nice nurses aren't gonna treat you. See their oath. They took oaths too. I think they do. At least people like me and my old job. That oath I thought was forever, but whatever. See how this works? How come she's not wearing a muzzle? What's up? This is why I thought this is some special girl here. See how that works? She's the only one. Maybe she's the cube. See how that? Maybe she's the sacrifice. See how that works? Because you have to be important, a non-slave. Seriously, I'm not even kidding. If you go back 5,000 years, this is all about slavery and shaming you into sex and torture and then child sacrifice. That's all real. That's what this muzzle ritual is all about. That, by the way. So they're shaming you. Why is this? Why is she? And she's standing right under Queen Washington, whoever it is. I believe that's who that is. See how that works? See, they don't do nothing on accident. This queen is this broad, whoever this is. And all the slaves got their muzzles on. See how that? And they're carrying packages. See how that works? This poor guy. I can barely see him. I don't know. My lighting's off. Hang on. Anyways, these guys look like they're zombies. I hate to say this. I just really do. This is so sad. This is so sad. Yeah, you can't. The lighting's on. It looks like all hair. I don't know what this is. I ain't saying. Oh, it's her mask. Sorry. I forgot most of them are wearing masks except for the one special person. This is telling you something, and she's right under the queen or wherever this garbage is over here. So take that for that. And there's your. Hang on. Let me go back. Hang on. Go back. Let's see the end scene, and I'll be out here. Right there. There's your all seeing eye. There's some symbolism here. I guarantee you they're on this rug for a reason. Look, how many are up here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So they got 7 on the rug. The rest stood behind. Let me move my ass out of the way. Hang on. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in the front, 2 in the back, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So they got 5, 5, and 7, right? 3, 6, 7. 7, 5, 5. There's a reason for that. I'll let you pattern nuts get that. Rituals, sacrifices, the American way. But you all are volunteering for it. Not all of you, but the ones that are refusing to stop participating in this garbage. See how that works? Anyways, on my channel, if you just type in dancing in the search box, you'll get all these videos. They're in there. That's how I just found them. So hit search. You'll find it. This is Wake Chicago. I'm out. Get food, by the way. It's going up big time. Oh, and by the way, Target's showing no ice cream in certain locations for whatever reason. It's weird.